Previously on Al's Adventure.
Hi, I'm Al.
Yeah, we know, Mr. Hrabosky.
Well, I'm here to be your newest Coldbuster.
Looking at your resume, it just says fastballs.
Yeah, but pretty cool, right?
I'm sorry, Al, but it looks like you're just not cut out for this.
Al, I'm gonna need that uniform back.
Come on, Rick, I thought we were tight.
So Al's been after us for a few months now about becoming an official Coldbuster.
Are you sure you're not hiring?
So today, I'm gonna take him on a ride along just to get him off my case about it. And also, I loaned him $50, and let's face it, this is the only way I'm ever gonna get that back. Oh, hello? Al? Yeah, 20 minutes? Seriously, I've already been out here for 20 minutes. I'm sure your hair looks fine.